everyone, today I've got these booster boxes of Decotime Alcohol Twinmakers, so I'll be opening these, having a little look at what is inside. So I got 4 different ones. I think there was another one but I had all of the colours that were in it, so I didn't need that set. But these are just little booster boxes, so if you've run out of a colour you don't have to buy a whole great big set, or if you find you use a lot of blues and greens, or these colours are the warmer colours, you can just buy one little set. Or if you have not used alcohol markers before and you just want to try them out, you could just buy a little set like this. They were £5 from B&M's, but they have been starting to appear on Amazon as well, so if you don't have a B&M store near you, you might be able to get them on Amazon. So if I find a link for them, I'll pop it in the description of this video. So if you wanted to just try alcohol markers because you hadn't tried them before, this set's quite a good one. It's got some greens, yellows, orange and red in, and you could draw something like this summer drink with them if you just want to try them out, see if you like them before you go spending a huge load of money on a really big set. So these are special edition little booster boxes. There's 12 markers in each set, and they have a brush tip and a fine tip. And these are special edition because the Deco tray that they are stored in comes in different colours. Usually they're black, but they've done them in nice little pastel colours this time. Each set has the colours that are in it, the numbers and the names on the side of the box. I'll read all of those out, so if anyone wants to know if they need this set or not, or if they already have the colours or not, you'll know if you want to buy one of these to add to your collection. Well, let's take a little look inside first of all. So this set has a lot of green and blue shades in it. So this is the little deco box, and it has the little bumps on that side and the holes on that side, so you can stack them together. So if you already have a great big deco tray full of these markers, this will stack with those that you already have. So the markers are the triangular barrel shape, brush tip and fine tip, so you know which end it's at. The fine tip always has a little grey line as well. The names and numbers are on the tips of the pens. So that is the fine tip, and then that's the brush tip. So if I just get a piece of, this is just ordinary printer paper, just to show you, that's the brush tip, and then this is the fine tip for doing more details. Now they are alcohol markers, so the ink does bleed through. This is just ordinary printer paper, so if you're colouring in colouring books or whatever you are using the pens on, make sure to put some paper behind it to stop it from bleeding through to either the next page or whatever surface you're working on. If you're colouring on a table, then it won't bleed through onto your table as well. So in this greeny blue set, the colours are number 64 Indian Blue, 263 Peacock Blue, 182 Frost Blue, 176 Neo Mint Light, 59 Pale Green, 58 Mint Green Light, 60 Teal Green, 61 Peacock Green, 53 Turquoise Green, Warm Grey 6, Warm Grey 2 and Blue Grey 1. So there are the colours in this set with the butterfly on the front. And when I've finished opening these, I'm not going to colour swatch them all on stream. I have done that in the past in my other videos. So this is my colour chart of all my other Decotime Twinmarkers that I've got, and the colours that I don't have, because these have new colours in. It says including new colours, so they do have new colours in that you might not already have in the bigger sets. So I've got some room at the end of my colour chart here to add in the colours that I'm going to try out that I don't already have. So in this set with the greens and the browns and the little cactus plants on the front, let's have a look at these. So these come in a greenish colour tray. They are the colours, and as you can see, it just slots on top. It's not super secure, so if you're going to like tip it, it's not like they clip in together, but they do slot on top. So if they live on your desk like that, and you store them horizontally, because that's the way they are advised to be stored, so that the ink is evenly distributed through the pen, so you don't end up with one end being dry or one end being full of ink if you stored them upright. So if you're just leaving them on your desk like that, it's quite sturdy and secure. It's not going to fall off. So also on the side there is some information about the pens. The writing length is 800 meters. I don't know who's measured that, but that gives you an idea how long they will last. So the colours inside this box with the plants on the front are 168 dark forest green, 225 dark olive, 235 sap green, 227 green sage, 233 grey olive green, 107 sand, 260 tanned skin, 108 hazelwood, 256 warm caramel, 222 golden yellow, 193 light denim blue, and 195 dark denim blue. So you could create with this set something a little bit like that if you wanted to have a go of those colours. Here in this set is the one with the summer drink on the front. Let's take a look at these. These are nice bright colours. And this one comes in a light yellow deco tray. And they are the colours. They're quite bright in this set. So the colours in this set are 242 warm green, 130 neon green, 124 fluorescent green, 236 spring green, 38 pale yellow, 33 melon yellow, 39 pastel lemon, 31 dark yellow, 34 yellow. It does look quite orange there, but let me just try that out. It is quite an orange colour. I know it's called yellow, but it is an orange colour really. 111 macchiato, 22 French vermilion, and number 11 carmine. And then in this final set that I bought with the cake on the front, these are like pinks and red colours. Let's have a little look inside. So they come in a nice light pink deco tray. Clip that on there. And the colours in this set are 255 warm, is that Cocoa? 97 rose beige, 114 grain, 139 flesh, 214 bright apricot, 209 warm old pink, 196 pale pink light, 198 tender pink, 206 warm fuchsia, 13 scarlet, and 246 ruby red, and 247 burgundy. So now all I need to do is have a look which colours I don't already have and put them onto my colour swatch sheet here. And the reason that we do that is because sometimes the colour on the lid of the pen is not quite how it turns out on the paper. For example, that number 34 yellow, if I was just, I mean it is quite orange, but if I just went off the name that it was yellow and thought, well, it's going to be yellow, as you can see that is really quite orange. I wouldn't say that that was yellow. So that's why we do the little colour swatch sheets, and also so you can see all your colours all together easily as well when you're picking what colour you would like to use. So I hope that has been helpful to anyone who would like to try alcohol markers for the first time, or if you just want to add to your collection like I'm doing. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.